Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you an easy way to cure your scalp dermatitis or any scalp issues that you might have. A few years ago, I was struggling with my scalp to the point where it was red and itchy. It was swollen in certain areas. I would have big patches of visible dandruff on my scalp. I would also have big, huge flakes of dandruff that would fall off of my scalp, and it was just really bad. It was also really embarrassing and not cute to look at because when I would part my hair, or if I did have my hair parted, you could visibly see the dandruff in my hair. Whenever I would comb my hair or move my hair, flakes of dandruff would fall out, and I was able to cure that with the steps that I'm going to show you in today's video. So if you are suffering from the same thing, or if you just have a dry and itchy scalp and you've tried everything, I believe these tips will work for you. The first thing that was a game changer for me was doing this coconut oil hot oil treatment. I do this every single week, and the reason why you want to use coconut oil is because it is anti-inflammatory and antifungal, so it's going to help cure up any sort of infection that you have on your scalp, and it's also going to soothe your scalp. Coconut oil is also really good at conditioning your hair as well, so it's going to be a win-win for you. And I promise you, after you try this coconut oil treatment, you should see a huge reduction in how much dandruff you have on your scalp immediately after. I have tried other oils, but coconut oil always is the one that has worked the best for me. That's why I always go back to it. You can mix it with other oils if you want to, but the coconut oil does fine all on its own for me. And I just put a lot on my hair, like you see me doing right here. My hair was in a roller set, so I had to like comb it out and put the coconut oil. I put a lot, and then you are gonna see me sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is not going to weigh your hair down or make your hair oily, because once you shampoo your hair, all of the oil is going to come out, but it is going to take care of any sort of scalp irritation or inflammation that you might have. So you really do not want to skip this step. Coconut oil is one of the things that allowed me to cure my scalp issue without going to the dermatologist, without having to use any sort of medical shampoo. I see people use that all the time, and that was actually recommended to me from a hairstylist because my dandruff was so bad. But I was just like, you know what? I think I can cure this on my own. And the things that I'm showing you in today's video help me to cure my dandruff and scalp issues literally in 1 week. So please try this. You will see a reduction in your scalp issues probably immediately after, if not within 1 to 2 weeks after you do it. So once I'm all done putting the coconut oil on, I like to put a plastic shower cap before I sit under my dryer. This is like a heated cap dryer, and I sit under here for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to start washing my hair, and this is also important as well. With scalp issues, you want to wash your hair more frequently. So if you're someone who is washing their hair every other week, you want to switch to washing your hair once a week. The water is going to moisturize your scalp and help prevent it from being so dry. It's also going to help get anything up off of your scalp as well and make your scalp nice and clean. Another thing that you want to do with the shampoo is you want to use a shampoo that has aloe in it. Aloe is good because it is anti-inflammatory and anti antifungal just like coconut oil. So it's going to work on your scalp, get rid of any infections, anything that is causing that dandruff to happen on your scalp, and it's gonna feel so much better. I like to shampoo twice, and this is gonna make my hair really clean and also get that coconut oil and any other anything that I have on my scalp and anything else that I have on my hair off. The shampoo that I'm using today is by Silk Elements. It is the Advanced Repair Vitamin E shampoo. It has aloe in it. But before I used this one, I also like to use the Creamy Aloe shampoo by Cream of Nature. That is a good shampoo as well. You can use any shampoo with aloe in it, but those are the two that I have tried that work well for me and helped me to cure my scalp. The main takeaway and main two steps that I want you to get from this video is that you should do a coconut oil hot oil treatment every week. That is going to help with your scalp issues because it is anti-inflammatory and antifungal. You also want to start washing your hair once a week with a shampoo that has aloe vera in it because that is anti-inflammatory and antifungal as well. I promise those are the only two steps that you need to help to relieve your scalp issue. You should start to see some relief within 1 to 2 weeks. If this doesn't help and you have tried everything, then I would consider going to a professional at that point. But this is what helped me, and I did not have to go see a professional. And also, when I do start to have any sort of flare-ups, like if I get off of my routine, if I try a product that doesn't work well for my scalp, or if my scalp feels itchier than normal, I go back to this routine and it cures my scalp and helps get it to normal and stop the itchiness or irritation or flakes that I might be having. A bonus tip that I want to put in here as well that will also help you with your scalp is do not use heavy oils on your scalp. This is going to clog your pores and cause those huge flakes and itchy scalp that you are experiencing. So if you are doing that or greasing your scalp, do not do that. Just wash your hair once a week. If your scalp is feeling dry, do not oil it because that is going to make it worse. Another thing that you want to avoid as well is do not use products like gel or edge control because those can not only cause buildup on your hair and scalp, but it can also dry your scalp out. So this is the results of my wash day for the week. I just showed you my scalp. You see that it is clean and clear because these tips really work. Let me know if you will try them and if they work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.